Alright, y'all. So here go my warrior, my miter saw, 7 1/4. As I showed you earlier, got the Diablo Steel Demon. That's my welding shit right there. A few drills and well, my tool bag or whatnot. Got my welding helmet, drill press. Gonna need that to drill holes nice and straight. Got some steel sitting outside too. I'm trying to size everything up. Got my protractors and square. Got a steel rod, got clamps, got welding holders, magnetic. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. So yeah, there go my steel sitting out there. So we gonna get it together. Y'all don't know nothing about this? Stay out of grown folks' business. Deuce.